Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. Firstly, I recommend it to place your earphones to the charging case, then close the case. Wait about 15 seconds, and after that time the battery level of your earbuds in the charging case will update. So remove them and check is it fixed. If it doesn't, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, first you need to locate your touch areas, located at the back side of each earbud, right here at the top, and you need to press 6 times at the touch area at your right earbud. Then you will see the red LED light, but if you not see the LED light, you need to repeat this process. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did we have the red LED light? Yes, excellent. Now we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then click forget this device or forget device or unpair or remove, or maybe something else, and forget device. Now if you have Android, you need to click pair new device button at the top, but before put your earbuds to the charging case and close the case. So, not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. Now open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the case. Your earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, we know it by the LED light what blinking red and blue, and you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!